The above, down, inside out principle makes way more logical sense than the outside in principle. When it really comes down to it, if you think about how nature works, think about how there's wild animals all out there, bears and lions and tigers, and all these cool animals, right? They don't need to create drugs in a laboratory to make themselves feel better or increase their life expectancy. It's because God created them in a way that they're gonna thrive without it. So with chiropractic as an above, down, inside out principle, where we're looking to the spine as the root of disease, as Socrates said, we're essentially just allowing for the nerve flow in the spine to reach the vital organs of the body to allow for proper function again. This is how logic works. Logically, do you need to take pharmaceuticals to feel better, even if it's an over-the-counter drug like ibuprofen? Did God make you ibuprofen deficient? Like, say you're experiencing headache. Do you really need to take that? Or have you been programmed into actually taking it? Cognitive dissonance of being given this perspective and not acknowledging it as truth is also incredible, as people truly don't want to be on drugs. They cling to them. They cling to their trauma. They cling to their disease labels because it's all that they know. Their own empowerment in serving their highest self is something that they don't want to do because it would cause them to do a lot of shadow work and face a shadow and face a part of them they haven't actually been able to do so. So, thank you all for watching. Appreciate it.